Hey everybody, Teacher Ian here. Let's look at some synonyms for strategies. Now, the best synonym for strategies depends on whether you are describing a high-level vision, a specific step-by-step process, or a clever trick to solve a problem. Let's start with high-level planning, the big picture. We use these when we're discussing long-term goals or overall direction. First up, blueprints. This implies a detailed, foundational plan. For example, the blueprint for the new studio. Next we have roadmaps. This suggests a timeline of milestones to reach a destination. Next, philosophies. Use this when the strategy is guided by a core set of beliefs or values. And then, game plans, a more action-orientated term, often used in business or competitive environments. Then we have specific methods, which is more like the how-to. Use these for the practical ways a goal is achieved. And we have approaches, a neutral professional term for how you tackle a task. Next is methodologies, best for scientific, academic, or highly structured processes. Tactics specifically refers to the smaller immediate actions that serve a larger strategy. And procedures focuses on the formal, official steps that must be followed. Then we have clever or problem solving, the workaround. And we use these when the strategy involves being resourceful or finding a shortcut. Solutions. This focuses entirely on resolving a specific issue. Maneuvers implies a skillful or calculated move to overcome an obstacle. Techniques refers to the specialized skill or knack used to do something well. And schemes can be neutral, a systematic plan, or negative, suggesting something underhanded. If you're describing building design, try using approaches or frameworks. If you're describing something like classroom management, try using methods or techniques. If you're describing business growth, roadmaps or initiatives are good words. Military or sport, try tactics or maneuvers. And scientific research, use protocols or methodologies. Let's look at strategy versus tactic. It's helpful to distinguish between these two. Strategy is the destination and the general route. For example, our strategy is to reduce energy consumption. Tactics are the individual steps taken on that route. For example, our tactics include installing daylighting controls and fritted glass. Well, that's all for now. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.